हो गया
The only channel on the ground reporting about this particular IED in Srinagar. We journalist Shafiq Malik is Hanwani, the Times Now.
कौन भैया
बनो गरम जियारत मकल टास कट चल कर यल सोर बनो गरम जियारत
अभी रोज बोलो रोज कोई ब्रोडे पक
बनो यार बनो ज्यादा गरम जियारत
गोवा में की
बेस्ट न ब्लास्ट
ये सब में ब्लास
तवे तो पटा दी पत्तबा
अच्छी यहाँ पे काम था
तो सोरे दबा रहा इतने से पान ये तबई मुझे एक बड़ी में छले सांस फाड़ना इतने सारे रिस्क की हैं दोनों सियार बोले गरम जियार था किस वक्त मगोई दोनों यक्का दिन दमार यक्का दिन टाज टाज दिन कहीं छेद भी
An IED has been detected here in Kanpur.
वो कटने तो पास रट से पाया आसे के माइंड
ब्लास्ट होने जा रहा है लाइव IED was detected and now we've been told to move a safer place because from any time from now you will hear a blast going on at this particular location. This is where this suspicious bag was found on the outskirts of Srinagar. You can say Srinagar city is said, and that's when the cordon off area was cordoned off, BDS was called, and now a controlled blast will be carried out. These are the visuals that we are bringing to you from the location. You can see that from any time from now you will hear a blast going, and they are trying to make sure that there is no damage to the surrounding locality and everyone is safe, and that is why security forces have now sealed this entire area. Wires have been also placed. This is the attempt to make sure that no damage takes place, but interestingly again an IED attempt to make casualties and cause damage, but luckily it was directed by the security forces. A police bunker is just around this vicinity. There is a heavy deployment of security forces. Usually around this time they frisk vehicles. We're seeing that it's a weekend COVID locked curfew, and the deployment was as usual. It seems like the attempt was to cause maximum damage, but security forces been able to detect this IED and now ready to carry out a controlled blast. This is the place on the Srinagar and one of the important locations, and there was an attempt to again carry out an attack on security forces, an IED attack, and now what we are seeing is that security forces have sealed the entire area, has gone deserted, and from any time from now there will be a controlled blast carried out by the security forces at this location. This is now the sandbags have been placed essentially to make sure that the intensity is not huge, and to control the blast as well. Now security forces say that some time back and called the bomb disposal squad, and now they are actually carrying out a controlled blast at this particular location. Ready? An IED has been detected here in Srinagar city, Chanpur.